Hello guys. A lot of you guys try to ask the question, why is the wealthiest people in America, they don't pay as much tax as you do? Which is very strange. Why, for example, someone is paying 16% of his money as tax and you are paying, for example, 25% or 30% or 35% according to your bracket range. Here I'm speaking about USA, okay? United States of America. I'm not speaking about international traders or investors, because this maybe it doesn't go with them. As for information, so you ask yourself, why is that? Why the wealthiest people in America, most of them, they don't pay as much tax as you do? Especially I'm speaking about stock market. Now here is the reason. The reason is that those people use dividend as their income. And here is the reason why. Understand that in America, when you have dividend, the tax is the cheapest tax is like 16%. So when a wealthy person, okay, has his income from dividend, and this is what they do, because the dividend, why the rich, they use dividend? Because of the tax first. Okay? Because of the tax. It means he's not going to pay, although his money is big, but in terms of tax, he will pay less tax than if you have the same money from another income. Do you understand the idea? Let's say one guy who is wealthy, he has $200,000 income from dividend. Like he has stocks in the market, but he has no job. This is what he has. And he is getting $200,000. Now we compare him with a lawyer or with a doctor or with whatever, who is making $200,000, the same money. But in terms of tax, the guy who is taking dividend, he is paying 15 or 16% less tax than the other guy who they bombard him with maybe 30% or 35%. So you see the difference? Although you make the same income as the other guy, but the other guy is going to pay more tax than you. It's just because you take dividend and the other one is not a dividend. Now you ask yourself, why this doesn't change? Okay? Why this doesn't change? No, it's related to politics and to the wealthy people. That's why they maintain it like this. And it is a relief for them. Okay? It means those people are paying less tax than the normal income. So that's why, if you know information about tax or about anything else in the stock market, you will have an advantage over people. Okay? You will have an advantage. That's why they say knowledge is power. It's true. Knowledge is power. It means when you know more, you can adapt yourself to the best choices. Especially in America, where you should know, where you should dig deep in order to know this information. Okay? So if you, for example, you know that dividend, they are taxing less, and you have the whole year, you are, for example, a doctor, or you are a lawyer, or you are, okay, and you have a lot of money saved during 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, and you will see that you are taxed more each time. You could do better choices where you put more on stocks and dividend, and you can get a better income with less tax in the future. So that's why the rich, they are more in the stock market and they own a lot. Okay, they own a lot, and this is some choices they do in their life because they know about it. Either they study it or their accountant tell them or whatever, but they know the information at early age. Not when you are 60 or 70 or 80, you are going to take profit of this. It's over. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have more questions, ask. Thank you very much.